We all have life insurance, but one thing is common. We usually don't go to buy for the policy. Some agent comes to us and we buy the policy. This is the case. So in today's video, I am going to share you the reality about the life insurance, and after watching this video, you will be able to understand that is for whom you need to buy the life insurance actually, and how much should be the sum assured, and which kind of life insurance you should buy. Hi, my name is Sanjeev Kumar and I'm stock market coach. Welcome to all of you to my channel Invest with Sanjeev KMRBGP. Actually, I'm going to share you one story. uh, some repair work is going on in my home, and the mason name is Fulchan, but we usually call him Fulwa. And Fulwa with two laborers. They are doing some repair work in my home. So I was reading the newspaper, and but during their work, Mason started communicating with me, and I was reading the paper, and he told me that, do you know, sir, actually our life is set, and we very soon we will become a rich person. So then I asked him, then please tell me, I want to know what you are doing. So he told me that actually he has invested his some amount in he bought some policy, some life insurance, and he has two child. For both, he had bought some policy, and the premium is going on monthly. He is putting 1,000 for each. It means 2,000 he is putting, and he will put for 20 years. So then I was surprised. So actually, today we should understand that in our society there is no only one Fulwa. There are a number of Fulwa in our society, in our country, and the companies are very clever, and they are making fool. They are making fool us. So we should understand that what they are doing, and how we can protect ourselves and our money as well. Actually, uh, the Fulwa is making money with his hard work, and their hard-earned money is going to that asset from where his this money is not going to grow rapidly. So the main point we should understand that we should not mix two things. One is investment, and second is one is investment and second is insurance. We should not mix insurance and investment in one asset. For investment, we should choose other plan, and for insurance, we should choose other plan. Okay. Second cheese is which type of insurance, how many types of insurance actually. Mainly, there are three types of insurance. One is term insurance. One is term insurance. Second is ULIP plan, and third is endowment plan. Term insurance, you need to pay the premium, thus, but this premium will not get back to you. Okay. If you are paying 500 rupees per month and your policy is running for 20 years, then this 500 per month will not return to you. This is called term insurance. And the premium depends upon your age, the company of the policy, and your sum assured. Okay. Second type is ULIP plan. ULIP plan means unit linked insurance plan. Here your premium is going to invest in insurance as well as share market. Unit means share market, linked insurance plan, means insurance. So if you are putting 5,000 per month, it means your total 5,000 is not going in stock market. Some amount from 5,000 is investing in insurance for the premium, and remaining is investing in the share market. Here also your premium is not returning, but it is not showing. It is what is showing? It is showing that our money is returning back, but the premium is also not returning here. But we do not see, and in term insurance, it is clear that our premium is not returning. This is the reason we think that this term insurance is not good, because our premium is not returning. But the same thing is happening with ULIP plan, but we do not see the reality. That is why we think that ULIP plan is good. But the reality is you are getting only 6 to 10% return in ULIP plan. 6 to 10% only. It means your money is not growing rapidly, and you are not also getting the benefit of the life insurance. That is why ULIP plan is not good for you. So you need to put your money in two separate asset class. One is for life insurance and other is for investment. Third type is endowment plan. Endowment means guaranteed plan. Some company write the fancy name, money back plan, जीवन के बाद जीवन के पहले, that kind of name they put. So here the money or your capital is not going to invest in the stock market. Your money is going to invest in some bond, some guaranteed plan. Where guaranteed plan you see, it means you are getting only 6 to 7%, maximum 8% return. So here also you are not getting good return, as well as you are not getting the benefit of the life insurance. So you should choose term insurance for the insurance. You should not choose ULIP, endowment, or any other kind of plan, because they charge huge management charge. So it is not good. Now the third question is, for whom we should buy the life insurance. Life insurance is for the guardian of the family, for the earning member. Like if you are the earning member and your household expense depends upon the income of you, then you should not buy the policy for your spouse or your kids. This is for the one person who are responsible for the household expense only. This is the simple rule. Now, next is the amount of sum assured. What should be? For that, I am sharing one slide of my presentation file. This is the rule. Sum assured equal to yearly income multiplied by remaining working years minus assets plus existing sum assured. Just assume your yearly income is 7.5 lakhs, and at present your age is 40 years. It means your remaining working years 20 years. Assets, if you have already 20 lakhs assets in FD, in mutual fund, in gold, total 20 lakhs assets. And existing sum assured is 30 lakhs rupees. Then you can calculate yearly income multiplied by remaining working years. It means 7.5 lakhs multiplied by 20 minus assets plus existing sum assured. Assets 20 lakhs plus 30 lakhs, 20 plus 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. You need to minus from here. It means 1.5 CR minus 50 lakhs. 1 CR. 1 CR is your sum assured. You can calculate as per your income as per your age. This is very simple. So, and one thing also is very important. The advertisement of this company is in a big level. So it is very difficult to educate the society. So it is our duty to spread this message. If you are meeting to someone, your friend, your colleagues, or your neighbor, you can say, "Hey, you are going for life insurance. You need to know these basic things about life insurance. This is important. If you really want to change the society, you need to make first step." So one thing I request from all of you that please share this video to all of your friend, your relatives, your neighbor, your colleagues, everyone, so that they can also understand what they should know before buying the life insurance. And last question is, which company how you choose the best company? You can do Google and just write give me the top five companies for life insurance for term insurance, not life insurance, for term life insurance. You can write this line, and you will get and you should buy the policy with reputed company. Thank you so much for to all of you for watching my video. See you in the next video.